Happy Halloween, everybody. I am back to reveal the winner of my second contest giveaway. Before I do, I just want to take a second to thank you all for participating. I had a really great time, and I hope you did as well. I really look forward to doing more stuff like this in the future. Nobody actually guessed the winning number. A couple people got pretty close. Me and Mr. Dangface got together, tallied everything up, made sure we had the closest guess. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now, along with a quick look at everything here. Enjoy. Congratulations to AdamSand9. Make sure you get in touch with me via nicholasnugs@gmail.com. Let me get your information and I'll get this to you as soon as possible. Thanks again to everybody for participating. See you all next time.